Meet the all-new 2023 Suzuki GSX-8S, the latest entry to the popular naked middleweight sport bike class from the folks at Hamamatsu. And we mean new chassis, styling and engine. The GSX-8S appeared at this year's EICMA show in Milan, wearing Suzuki's latest design. Powered by a newly engineered 776cc parallel twin, the GSX-8S and its ADV cousins, the V-Strom 800D and V-Strom 800D Adventure, have the nice distinction of introducing a new engine that the Japanese company says will define the brand's future sport bikes. That in itself is pretty big news, but we have a new platform to explore. The 2023 Suzuki GSX-8S will join the current sport bike lineup as an addition to, not a direct replacement for, the V-twin-powered SV650 favored in the United States. Other markets may be different. Aspects such as price, performance and availability have yet to be announced, but we'll update this story as soon as possible. Now, we're going to hit the fast facts. An all-new 776cc DOHC parallel twin engine powers this bear machine. We'll have to stick to the horsepower and torque figures, even if Suzuki shed light on the technical aspects of its new factory. The DOHC engine has 4 valves per cylinder and uses the increasingly popular 270-degree firing sequence to emulate the V-twin engine's strong torque characteristics, pleasant throb and catchy exhaust tone. Forged aluminum pistons spin to a redline of 9,250 revolutions per minute. Suzuki introduced its patented cross-balance stabilizer to this bike to combat unwanted vibrations. The design featured a special counterweight for each piston, positioned in a 90-degree orientation to the crankshaft. The reason for the P-twin over the V-twin is size and packaging. The parallel twin engine has an advantage over other engine configurations, as it is quite compact. The parallel twin's narrow profile and short length improve mass centralization and allow them to fit into a variety of chassis designs more efficiently. Above all, P-twin-powered motorcycles are relatively sleek and help shorter riders get on top. 3 riding modes help organize the rider assistance on the 2023 Suzuki GSX-8S. Those familiar with modern Suzuki motorcycles will recognize the A Active, B Basic, and C Comfort riding modes found on the GSX-S 1000, GSX 1000 GT Plus, and Katana sport bikes. 3-level traction control can be disabled, while ABS performance is improved. Other goodies include Suzuki's low RPM assist and an up-down quickshifter. The IMU is missing from its repertoire, so no cornering ABS and lean corner detecting TCs. Cruise control is also not available. A 5-inch full-color TFT display and LED lighting are standard. The GSX-8S does well with a dash unit reminiscent of its sibling, but with a revised interface specific to this model. If past experience holds true, then expect the dash to perform well on the road. The LED lighting is also a nice touch and a solid step forward. A 6-speed transmission with all sport equipment is standard. Suzuki has added a slip and assist clutch to the package, which is always appreciated for the easy clutch pull around town and the mitigation of hard downshifts when riding aggressively. We saw Suzuki's up-down quickshifter unit, which has received much of the acclaim it deserves on the Hayabusa, GSX-S 1000, and GSX 1000 GT Plus inline 4s, and we hope it will be its twin. The steel trellis frame and aluminum rocker arm are all new. The GSX-8S has a wheelbase of 57.7 inches and an approachable seat height of 31.9 inches. Claimed curb weight is 445 pounds, which would make it the heavier class, although the Kawasaki Z900 and BMW F900R are the fattest in this wide class. KYB takes care of suspension duties. It's hard not to draw comparisons with the venerable SV650, even though the GSX-8S isn't its successor in the US market. That said, the GSX-8S has undoubtedly upped the ante with a non-adjustable inverted KYB fork and linkage-assisted shock with spring preload adjustment. The 17-inch wheels are made of cast aluminum and covered with Dunlop Sportmax Roadsport 2 rubber. The braking is done by Nissin. A radially mounted 4-piston caliper clamps the 310mm rotor up front and is controlled by an axial master cylinder. At the rear, a single piston caliper catches the 240mm rotor. Various accessories are available, from luggage to protection. The versatility of the GSX-8S has been promoted by Suzuki, with various trunk options available since its launch. The brand plans to release an expandable 20-liter side case and 2 large and small tank pockets. Additionally, a frame slider is available. The sporty at heart might opt for a single seat cover.